Customizing what appears in your live feed is key to managing your incoming requests effectively. In the settings under Fine-Tune, you can select specific makes and models to see on your live feed. Start by choosing either the Import or Domestic tab, then click on the make of the vehicle. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select specific models. You have the option to check off to choose all models, or you can individually select specific models that are relevant to your inventory. Additionally, you can click the button on top to select all makes and models. But keep in mind that doing so may result in a high volume of requests, many of which might not pertain to your specific inventory or needs. This level of customization helps ensure that you're only seeing requests that are relevant to what you can supply, making your workflow more efficient and targeted.